Hello, I am back with part 3 of my attic haul, and I still have no idea what I'm going to call it. Okay, so this time we're going to look at all the books I found in the super old dusty attic. But I wanted to show this first because I forgot to show this in my previous one. These are little photographs from Paris. Look at all these old flags. So this must be really old. It's like from the 40s. And when you open it, you have the Sacré-Cœur. I cannot read that. Le Panthéon. Panthéon. Le Louvre et Jardin des... I can't read that. Sorry if I butcher it. Place de la Concorde. Palais et Jardin de Luxembourg. Ooh, Notre Dame. Beautiful. I've only seen it from when we took a boat trip on the Seine. There's more Notre Dame. Hôtel de Ville. Oh, there's Sacré-Cœur again. L'Arc de Triomphe. The Arch of Triumph, I guess. Triumph Arch. Opera Place. Oop, look at that. There's a little Eiffel Tower. Oh, here we go. Eiffel Tower. Very cool. So I was excited when I found this little thing mixed in with other things. Oh, so here's the whole, it shows all the images. Okay, so, but now we can do books. And some of them I'm probably gonna put on Etsy because I have more books than I can ever use up. This one is a little music study thing. Thought that was pretty neat. Nice little size. Then we have another shorthand book. I already found one when I went through the house at first, but I really like the shorthand because it's different. People use English books, German books, French books, Italian books, but I have yet to see someone use a shorthand book. So what's this? Okay, April 1958. So yeah, that's fun. Then I found the story of Peter Pan. It's fairly thin, and it is from, look at these pictures. It is from, someone drew it in with a pencil, 1926. Yeah. Thought that was neat. And that's the back. And then these were buried in some box that was like all the way in the back corner of the attic, and I thought I was gonna break through the floor because the boards were so soft. Look at these. This one is a children's book from 1886. Let me put it down so you can actually see more. This one has like fallen apart already because it's old, but look how beautiful. E's for egg. Isn't that cool? And you can count. So lovely. beautiful owl. Oh man, why did they have to write on it? This would have been such a nice picture. Ugh, wow, I just love old kids books. Okay, let me, I'll be right back. I gotta plug in my phone real quick. Okay, so let's leave these down here. And then we have this one. This is a little thicker. And this one is from I think it was 80. Where did I see that? It was, I think, 1 year older than the other one. 1887. So the other one was 1 year older. Yeah. Same thing. Has some beautiful illustrations. Look at this. Little kitty. Yeah. I was very excited when I found these two. Okay, and then we had the Tale of Coffee Bear and the Scarecrow. However, I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep it. Just thought these were like really cute illustrations. And the paper, I think it's like this handmade paper. I don't know. But it's like this, it's different. It's like this super old paper. And it is from 1929. And then I found this old thing. It's the Poor Richard Jr.'s Almanac. And this is from 1906. So there's something for every day. Today is the 18th. 17th. Let's see. February. Uh-oh. Is it even in here? Ah! And my birthday's missing. Ha! Huh. That's a bummer. That's too bad. Oh, December 9. People who marry for money seldom get interest. Yeah. He who follows another is always behind. That is so true. Okay, anyway, so I thought these were really neat if you want to cut them out. And then we have the Three Bears. From, I guess it's also 1929 or something. 1931. Copyright 1929. A lot of those books are 1929, or I've seen a ton of books from 1929. Oh, this actually has a colored page. In fell the old wolf with a splash. And the little piggies are dancing. I love this when books have these letters. So pretty. Ah, isn't this beautiful? The Town Musicians. Oh! Ha! Die Bremer Stadtmusikanten. That's cool. It's a German story. Those are all German stories. Nope. Only a few. Okay. Oh, there was another colored image. Three Bears. And then I found Little Women. Unfortunately, the cover is pretty damaged, but this one is also, oh, it doesn't say. I thought this one was also like 1929 or something. Beautiful yellow pages. Lots of them. It's a bummer. I thought there was a year in here. Nope. Oh, it was actually his sister's book. So yeah, Little Women. And then this one I got for the cover. I'm gonna take the block out because I like the cover. It's a beautiful image. And it just has these pages and illustrations. And it is from 1929 again. And then I also got this one for the cover because I like the bird. Could be a bird journal, bird hospital, and pretty images. And copyright is 1931. Look at the nice font. And just plain book pages. Oh, there's a cat. Taffy. Huh. That's funny that a cat is in the bird hospital book. Oh, interesting. And then I also got this one for the cover. Isn't this beautiful? The blue domers. Oh, I think they're like the same. Yeah, they're the same series, I guess, or from the same company, publisher, I mean, 1928. Again, I'm gonna probably take out these and use the covers. I love these. These are such beautiful covers. And then, last but not least, The Little Red Hen and the Fox. And I have no idea why I brought this one. Oh, yeah, because it goes with the three bears. These are like the same kind. From the Story Lady. Maybe this one has a year. Nope. Yep. Copyright 1931. And then also copyright 1927. So I think these are like from 31. Why does this not say? Oh, it does. Same thing. Oh, I totally missed that. Okay, so these are both from 1931. And I thought these were really cool if you want to do like sister journals. So, yep. That is it for all the books. I'm probably only gonna, well, I'm gonna keep those two old ones and then these, I don't know yet. But that's it. Let me know which one you like the best. And I can really not remember why I brought this one. Huh. Does anyone know the story? Because I don't. I think it was just because of the illustrations, maybe. Huh. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, guys. That was the last part of the series. And now I have to clean up my craft room again because I have all these things spread out on the floor. So I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!